Hi guys, and welcome back. Today you join us from the Essen Motor Show, and we've come over to the AC Schnitzer 850i, which has just been released, and it's actually making its debut here. As you can see, the car is absolutely stunning. BMW have done a fantastic job with the 850i anyway, but AC Schnitzer have really enhanced the look of the car. Now in my opinion, they kind of lost their way over the years, and it was very difficult to like some of their body styling. But on this car, I think they've got it absolutely right. You can look at the front splitter. It kind of flows with the lines of the body, but just gives it a bit more aggressiveness. The canards on the side, along with the carbon fiber trim in the fog light area. As you can see, the bonnet has some vents as well, with AC Schnitzer branding on there. This car also has a carbon roof, so normally that's reserved for M cars, but the 850i seems to come with that, with the double bubble style roof. Moving to the back of the car, the rear diffuser is absolutely gorgeous, really flows with the lines of the car and is very, very aggressive. I mean, the back end of the 850i does take a bit of getting used to, but the diffuser really finishes it off. It looks like from the factory there's something missing, and AC Schnitzer have added what's missing. But that seems to be a general trend with BMW at the moment, where they're designing the cars with what looks like there are splitters and diffusers missing, and then they're selling it under their M Performance range. The only thing I don't like about the car is maybe the rear wing, but that's just personal taste. But overall, I think they've done a fantastic job. The wheels are classic AC Schnitzer design, 21-inch all round. BMW have really stepped up their interior game as of late, and the interior of this 850i is no exception. The leather looks stunning, and I really like the two-tone theme they've got running through the car. So overall, I'm loving this car. I love the 850i, and I really like what AC Schnitzer have done with it. So over on the Continental stand, AC Schnitzer also have their F90 M5 here, and it's the first time they've introduced the full aero for this car. The wheels have a center lock optic, so it looks like they're center lock, but it's a covering it, and it's a classic AC Schnitzer 5-spoke split design with a two-tone color. So they've done black silver on this side and silver black on the other side. And again, I think they've got it really right with this car. The front splitter is really aggressive, looks really cool, flows with the lines of the car. And the rear one is motorsport inspired and has that sort of little brake light that flashes in the middle. They've got the rear wing on this again. It's not aesthetically something I like, but they have set the Nurburgring record with this, and AC Schnitzer is one of the few companies that does actually test their aero, so it's purposeful. So although it may not look great, it will serve a purpose, but it's not going to be for everyone. But again, I think they've got it spot on, just like the 850. I think this car, whatever they've done with it, the lines flow apart from the rear wing, but again, that's for a purpose. They've done a really good job. I think they're really coming back strongly. As again I said earlier, I think they lost their way a little bit, but they're bang up to date now and bang on form. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to answer them for you.